Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. And what's going on with this one, guys? If you're not in this Discord, join me into the Discord. The link is in the description of this video. And right now Solana is actually trying to cross one particular resistance that I think can actually it's getting rejected at this point of time if you actually look at it this way. But if Bitcoin starts to, have a relief rally, some green candles, then here's what I'm expecting for Solana to do. And yes, we broke out of this neckline, and honestly, we haven't even reached the technical target. So everything is shady. Everything is shady with Solana at this point of time, and this one can go all the way to that yellow line, this yellow line, and then get rejected potentially. But it's a bit difficult for that one. You're actually gonna have to break this resistance, or just break the resistance, go back to this neckline, which is gonna be $95, and then from there, boom, go to the downside. Because all in all, remember, this was your left shoulder, that was your head, and this was your right shoulder, and that's taking you all the way down to these price levels. That's what I'm looking after. That's what I'm looking for. Unless it doesn't come, you cannot say that Solana is actually bullish. No, there's no reason for me to say it's going to go upside. This is where you broke out. Look, it's going to at least take you to this. The first target is $69, okay, and then the second one is going to be 62. Now, of course, you came a little bit down, you broke out of it, and it seems like you're actually being rejected at this yellow line right there, and that's a big heavy wall in the resistance at this point of time. So we're going to actually wait for confirmation. For me, the biggest confirmation is when you break the neckline itself, backtest and continue, and matching Bitcoin's behavior, because we do know that when Bitcoin gets bullish, then Solana is not going to go to its target. It will not go to its target once Bitcoin gets bullish. Simple. We always trade two things side by side. One is Bitcoin, then Solana. And in order for you to understand Solana, I'm putting in Bitcoin updates as well. So watch that one regularly, and then we're going to understand if Solana is looking good, as long as Bitcoin is looking good. At the moment, Bitcoin is kind of like, we don't know what's about to happen. And Solana in itself is reaching at a level of resistance, nothing else. There's nothing good about it, right? So that's just how it is at this point of time. And that's a very small, quick update for you. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.